What's happening, people? This is Prajeet here with yet another vlog. For a change, I'm actually taking my phone and vlogging today. We are going to मतलब कौन-कौन पहले दिखा देता हूँ. We have Mr. Captain Irfan riding a Triumph T120, right? Right. Remember him? Shakti Kapoor vlog. Rinku bro and Iron 883. I have Ajinkya अपना neighbor है. मुझे आज तक पता नहीं चला, मेरे घर के बाजू में रहता है, but today we meeting. But anyway, we are going to Dabosa waterfall right now. From here we'll be going to Nasik. Now the time approximately is what? 6. We were supposed to leave at 5:30, but कोई बात नहीं, हमेशा late तो होना ही है. But yeah, so we're leaving right away. We'll hit the road, and then you guys are going to see some amazing footages today, some amazing places. निकलते हैं. So we are out of Mumbai right now. Just crossed Fountain Hotel. So we are going to Dabosa, which is via Virar, Manor के वहाँ से आगे जाके right मार के फिर Jawahar. That's where this place is, Dabosa waterfall. We are also planning to go to Khadkad Dam. That's also a very beautiful place. That's the plan. आगे जाके plans बदलते रहता है. You never know if you're going to stick to the plan or not. So that's one thing. So yes, this whole damn trip is a 3-day trip. So let's say today we're going. Tonight I'm staying at Nasik at KP's friend's place. And then tomorrow we might go around Nasik, not sure, let's see. And then day after we come back. That's the plan. देखते हैं अभी क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. So yes, and that's Shantanu on his Iron 883. Other brothers are all behind. You'll see them soon. Myself and Shantanu just stopped. We were ahead, so I just called up Rinku and asked what happened. He's like, a KTM guy right in front of KP met with an accident, so they've stopped. So is that them? Yeah, I think that's yeah. All well?
सेना पैर करो ना यार.
What happened? So that's a group. Triumph, Iron 883, Fat Boy, KP, this is Rinku, Fat Boy, KP, The Beauty. KP का अपना एक स्टाइल है. Look at that. मतलब जबरदस्त. एकदम आराम से like this, आराम से बैठा and just keep going and KP is KP. The breeze is amazing right now. It's actually going inside my jacket. I'm feeling really nice riding. Sweet weather, very nice. So right now we are heading to Ahura for breakfast. We'll finish off our breakfast and then go ahead to Dabosa और वो क्या खड़खड़ जो भी डैम है. हाँ, so खड़खड़ डैम या दाबोसा वाटरफॉल? खड़खड़ डैम
दोनों.
Bro, उतरना पड़ता है दाबोसा वाटरफॉल में. You have to actually get down like stairs.
मैं मेरी बाइक छोड़ के नहीं जा रहा. देखो बाकी जो दिखाने देख ले. मैं नहीं छोड़ के जा रहा. मैं भी नहीं छोड़ रहा
ना मैं छोड़ रहा. हाँ, there will be a lot of crowd for sure वहाँ पे. And it's one of the biggest waterfalls in Maharashtra also. I want to show you the chicken patties here. It's actually lovely. Chicken keema, anda burji, etc. Time to refuel. Okay, that's it. Yeah, bus. ये लीजिए कार्ड. So the plan is to go to खड़खड़ डैम एंड नॉट दाबूसा वाटरफॉल, बिकॉज दाबूसा वाटरफॉल में बाइक रख के नीचे जाना पड़ेगा और बहुत नीचे जाना पड़ेगा. सो विल गो टू खड़खड़ डैम. वहाँ से नज़ारा बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. सो दैट्स द प्लान. So we've taken a left from Charuti, the National Highway 48. We're moving towards Jawhar right now, the Khadkhad Dam. रास्ते अभी थोड़े छोटे हो चुके हैं obviously. It's part and parcel. Khadkhad Dam is just 5 kilometers away. We are almost there. So yeah, I mean the roads are nice, sweet, you know, and something is different about the colors here. I mean the greenery, right? यहाँ पे yellowish green kind of एक mix है, and it's actually very pretty यार. And घाट्स देखो, कितने मस्त घाट्स है यार. क्या चाहिए एक राइडर को. The roads have become narrow right now, and that's what beauty is all about. Narrow, 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 and no road, and then the beauty starts. यही तो बात है ब्यूटी का, नेचर का. Alright, the off-roading starts, and the lake is right here, right next to Khadkhad Dam. Just 600 meters away, shows 2 minutes. was the drone shot, Rinku bro?
Oh, fantastic.
है ना?
What an experience, fantastic experience.
Yeah, and
Pradeep rock.
no.
He's gone burn the YouTube.
But yeah, if you think the drone shot was good, तो एक subscribe button दब सकता है. वो आप पे छोड़ता हूँ. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't,
Please subscribe. Mining Miles. Rock. Mining Miles.
yes. So that was Khadkhad Dam. And क्या? अरे bro.
Bye, please subscribe Mining Miles. I'm busy.
Yes. So that is Khadkhad Dam over here for you guys. That I hope you guys enjoyed the drone shots. Now, you know, I'm not turning the camera here because इतना आवाज़ है ना पानी का, फ्लो इतना ज़्यादा ना, इसलिए मुझे ऐसा टर्न करके बात करना पड़ रहा है. Now we are heading back, not back, we are heading to Nashik. अब actual मज़ा तो अभी आने वाला है.
And we're gonna go on the twining Trimbakeshwar road.
Yeah, we going by the Trimbakeshwar road. So stay tuned यार, अभी भी थोड़ा सा बचा है. त्रिम्बकेश्वर रोड भी देखो, नासिक भी देखो, मज़े करोगे. तो यहाँ पे बीच में रुकना पड़ा, और क्या है ना, सब लोग एक प्लान करके आए थे, हो रहा है कुछ और है कम्प्लीटली.
Always about the trip.
हाँ, दैट्स ऑलवेज द थिंग. ये भाई वापस मुंबई जाने वाला था, बोलता आज मैं रुक लूँगा. मीटिंग कैंसिल कर दिया रुकने के लिए. Anyway, so this guy is leaving. Alright, so bro, you are anyway my neighbor. So we'll definitely meet up. He's like literally 200-300 मीटर दूर है मेरे घर से, तो हम लोग मिलते रहेंगे अभी. Cool bro, Shantanu bro. Nice meeting you. Same here. You ride safe. We'll all be together. But yeah, so he's heading back to Mumbai. Where are we heading, guys? Nagar, Nasik, no. Holiday Inn. So, देखो, I don't know the plan seriously. शायद Holiday Inn में रुकेंगे, शायद कोई like Airbnb लेंगे. I have no idea. मुझे ये पता है, इसके बाद मेरे को फ्यूल अप करना है. That's it. देखो पब्लिक रिएक्शन देखो, फोटो वोटो खींच रहे हैं मस्त एकदम. पैर जल जाएगा देखकर, बोलना पड़ता है यार. ये कोई कश्मीर से कम जगह लग रहा है क्या? लग रहा है ना. मज़ा करो. कश्मीर तो नहीं, बट इट्स वेरी प्रिटी. This is the entrance of Trimbakeshwar temple, and we take a left from here, and Nashik is 41 minutes away, 29 kilometers to go. Let's go. Sorted roads, man. Right next to Trimbakeshwar we are, and the roads are absolutely amazing. It's really good to ride from here. Finally we are at Nashik, and apparently 10-12 minutes away. Holiday Inn is 10-12 minutes away, because we're actually crossing the whole city from one corner to the other to be able to get to the highway again, the Mumbai Nashik wala highway, Mumbai Agra. So yes, almost there. आ गए Holiday Inn होटल. ये रहा, हम लोग पूरा चिल कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. थोड़ी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की हुई हैं. ये देखो यार, ऑल कपड़े सूखोफाइंग हियर. सब सूख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सीन ऐसा है कि हम लोग जस्ट पहुंच रहे थे, एग्जैक्टली 5 minutes बैक इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग, I was like shit यार, पूरा रास्ता मुंबई से लेके आते
Super clean, beautiful weather.
नासिक तक कुछ नहीं और नासिक एंट्री पे बारिश
और climate और weather तो fantastic.
amazing weather.
सुपर वेदर, एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट. लास्ट 5 मिनट में सब कपड़े गीले, सब गीले हो गए. अभी क्या करें?
But we still enjoy the weather out here. It's too good.
It's actually good यार. मुंबई में इतनी गर्मी रहती है, but whatever it is, इधर नासिक आके एक अच्छा काम किया हमने कि हॉलिडे ना.
मेरे वजह से.
हाँ, because of him. But anyway, we just chilling
Thanks
अभी
to
थोड़ा.
holiday उनका COVID के इसको लेके their safety.
The safety factors are very
Very
good.
nice.
And we are also following our safety precautions. We use the mask and everything. All of us are doing our best.
Yeah, but Holiday Inn has done a really good job. They sanitized things right in front of us. Everything was like spick and span. So वो एक चीज एकदम जबरदस्त है. कल तो आज भले ये अब खत्म हो, ये एपिसोड 1 है, एपिसोड 2 देखना जरूरी है. Where we going around Nashik, we'll be showing you places around Nashik, places to eat, best places to eat as well. Mostly holiday वचन शोरूम जाएंगे या सुला जाएंगे, पता कल का वेट करो यार.
Let the surprise come slowly.
है ना?
Don't
कल
open the
Let the
suspense.
surprise come slowly.
Exactly.
Suspense.
Wait for the surprise for tomorrow.
पर्दा.
Go to
चलो, so that's it for today. अभी इसके बाद सीधा अगला व्लॉग देख लो. तब तक के लिए मजे करो, जो करना करो, रिलैक्स करो. चलो, see you, bye.
Good night.